a diamond. She's a diamond girl. She's a diamond. Diamond, diamond, diamond.
Hi YouTube, it's Princess Diamond. Welcome back to my channel, and welcome back to another March Madness blend. This blend request is coming from Abby Romaine, who wanted to see the colors 613, 27, and 350 blended together. So that is what we're doing here. This is a really old request. I apologize for getting this out so late. Yeah, I was slacking, but we're gonna get into this blend. I like the outcome of this blend. You guys let me know what you think when you see it. Make sure to stick around until the end, because you'll see what it looks like as a braid as well as what it looks like as a twist. And let me just say this, I absolutely love you guys. I love you guys. Someone just commented on one of my videos, I believe it was yesterday, and they said, for a season finale, can you do and I'm trying to get clarity on what exactly they wanted. But I'm like, a season finale, I love it. I love it. Yes. So for the end of this month, yeah, we'll do a season finale. Not too exactly sure on what exactly, will be done for that. But yes, season finale. Like, I love the sound of that. My thoughts on this blend. So like I said earlier, I did like the result of this blend. I was seeing cinnamon. That's what it was giving me, was cinnamon. Originally, when I put the colors together, I thought I'd be doing a honey ginger. I don't know what that really would look like, but I was getting honey and ginger together, right? But when I really mix it thoroughly, I seen cinnamon. So y'all let me know. I think I'm gonna just go ahead and go with cinnamon. I may change it. If y'all think of something better, let me know. Y'all know what? Going back on that, I want to do a ginger honey blend. It's going to have 350, 27, and these are orange tint colors, so maybe a copper. What else y'all think? That's what I'm thinking for ginger honey. That's probably going to be my blend tomorrow. I don't know. We'll see. If y'all hearing all this squeaking and the bark in the background, that's my dog. Just ignore her. So yeah, I'm going to let you guys watch this video until the end, and make sure to leave your comments down below. Don't forget to like the video. This really helps the channel, and subscribe. And I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Y'all let me know what y'all think, really, for real, about this ginger honey. Should I do it? It's gonna be me, because I don't think anyone said copper, 27, and 350. Now y'all don't try to steal that. If y'all got something to add to it, though, that'll make it better, drop it in the comments. But if we do 27, 350, and copper, hey, that's my request. Y'all remember that. But anyways, I will talk to you guys tomorrow in my next March Madness blend. As always, you guys be blessed, stay safe, stay filled with love and peace. Bye.